QuickBooks Error 6189816, for quick solutions. Solution 1, Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1, open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it, download it from. Step 2, in the QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Program Problems. Step 3, next, select Quick Fix My Program. Step 4, wait for the fixing process to complete. Step 5, once done, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 2, restart all your computers and servers. Step 1, restart the server computer that's hosting your company files. Step 2, next, restart each workstation. Step 3, now launch QuickBooks in all the computers and see if the error is resolved. Solution 3, run QuickBooks Database Server Manager from Tool Hub. Step 1, open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2, go to Network Issues tab, then select QuickBooks Database Server Manager. Step 3, click on Start Scan if you see your company files. Step 4, if you don't see your company files, browse to the location of your company files and click Start Scan. Step 5, wait for QuickBooks Database Server Manager to auto-repair your firewall permission. Step 6, once done, click Close and see if the error is resolved. Solution 4, move your company file to a local hard drive. Step 1, open QuickBooks, go to File and ensure that you're in single user mode. Step 2, next, select Backup Company and then create local backup. Step 3, in the Create Backup window, select Local Backup and click Next. Step 4, in the Local Backup Only section, click on Browse and select where you want to save the file. Step 5, in the Online and Local Backup section, select Complete Verification. Step 6, when you're ready, press OK. Step 7, you may get a prompt regarding the location, select Use this location here. Step 8, next, select Save it now and schedule future backups and click Next. Step 9, now check the Save Backup Copy automatically when I close my company file checkbox every, then select the number of times. Step 10, click on the New button, select the time you want to create a backup, then click OK. Step 11, when you're ready, click on Finish to proceed. Step 12, once done, press OK. Step 13, now, you need to restore the files. To do this, go to File. Step 14, select Open or Restore Company. Step 15, select Restore a backup copy in the Open or Restore Company window and click Next. Step 16, in the Backup dialog box, browse and find the backup company file, then click Open. Step 17, when you're asked, where do you want to restore the file, click Next, then click on Save. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.